Well, because a lot of people, it's a good time to catch me, man. I'm fucking sweating. This is the wrong attire for today, man. It's a beautiful day in the UK. Hope you guys all have an amazing day, amazing evening, wherever you're watching this from. It is vlogs 90 something. And it is, what is it, bruv? It's June the 7th? It's June the something. 7th. It's a big week, man. We've got a really big week. Loads of things happening. We had to turn the camera on today and just, yeah, we had to just share the journey with you as always, man. We've got Mama Rush launching this Friday. Going to be sharing with you finalized bottles, the packaging, labels. We came up with Mama Rush and we talked about it on YouTube about 2 months ago now, but we're finally ready to go with that in 3 days. And then also the new HQ. So this video is all about just kind of taking you through the updates on the HQ, what it looks like right now. There's a lot to share. A lot of good work has started, and got a couple of more videos to shoot here with Nathan, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the day as always, man. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Hi guys. 10 to 12 right now, midday. Just finished up a couple of tutorials. What we typically do, if you've not seen the behind the scenes before, is that we basically get 2 or 3 videos backed up first thing in the morning when Nathan comes. 2 days a week, this guy's in. Videos, tutorials, first thing in the morning. Now we're gonna go inside, he's gonna get to editing, and I'm gonna share with you the secret project. It's not so secret right now. I'm gonna share with you the new business Mama Rush sauce. You're gonna love it. All right guys, another Mama Rush kind of unveil, right? So we talked about me bringing out a new brand, and it was going to be chili sauce, and a lot of you came out and shared a lot of positive vibes, so thank you so much for that. We are ready to roll with this, guys. It is Wednesday, no it's not, it's Tuesday when I record this right now. Friday is when we go live. Friday, 4 p.m. UK time. This is what the bottling is going to look like, people. It's absolutely epic. Hopefully you agree, man. It's really, really nice and slick. It's got the hallmarks of RA, but this is a completely different brand in itself, man. It's a lot more, yeah, colorful, vibrant. Obviously it's a food brand, it's not the same as RA, but yeah, you get the drift, man. If you guys are into your chili sauce, if you're a chili fiend like me, please go out, support your boy, cop it. At the moment, got to say, I know I've got a lot of international love coming for this, a lot of excitement, a lot of people want this around the world. When we go live, at the moment, we're just shipping to the UK. And the reason is because obviously it's a fresh sauce, no preservatives. We want to keep it fresh, and it's gonna be really difficult to ship to America, to Australia, to Asia. So we're working on that. We're working with our delivery partners. All right, cool thing to mention is that we've got 2 flavors, guys. All right, so for you chili fiends and fanatics out there, we've got a Scotch bonnet, which is our strongest flavor currently to date, and then we've got a bird's eye chili, which you're gonna absolutely love. So I recommend, if you're someone who likes obviously a bit of heat and flavor, but you're not too crazy about it, like go for the bird's eye chili. But if you're someone like me who needs maximum or kind of a lot of strength, then go for the Scotch bonnet. And yeah, we've got bundles. We've got sample size kind of miniature size bottles. And yeah, we're really excited, people, man. We've got really like cool new flavors coming as well. We're gonna be testing with ghost peppers, habanero peppers, hopefully. And I don't know, I just don't know where this brand's gonna go, but it's just a lot about having fun. But for now, anyone in the UK, if you're interested, please come out 4 p.m. on Friday. It'd be much appreciated, man. It's a really exciting project for all of us. Right, guys, we're back at HQ. Exciting times, man. We're showing you now the updates. The builders and the contractors have been working for about 2 weeks or so. So this is about, really and truly about 8 or 9 days work. I'm gonna take you through the main entrance. So come follow me. Hopefully the sound is good. All this mess is obviously gonna go when it's finished. But main door, people, this is where you would come through if you're visiting. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick walkthrough. You've seen this place a couple of times now. Now there's a few more bits and pieces going on. And what's gonna happen, guys, is there's gonna be, as you come through, there's gonna be a door here, and this is gonna be our kind of reception area. You walk through here, there will be a toilet in this little corner, but that's not important because it hasn't been fixed yet. But this is our little shop front. It's kind of small. We kind of imagined it to be small because we need a lot more space for the stock room at the back, which is what you've already seen and what you're gonna see more of after. But yeah, got our little desk which is ready to go, little countertop. This is how I'll be greeting you guys. So what are you after, man? Legacy, money rope? We got you, man. Icon. Icon, yeah, we do freestyle ropes as well. All right, so yeah, this is gonna be nicely branded up, big RA sign, as you guys know. And yeah, this is actually the most interesting bit, I think, on the ground floor really. So you come through, we've got some storage stuff going on here, guys. And then this bit is going to be called the fly pod. So we're not completely finished, but if you step through, I don't know if you get an idea of this, we'll show you some more better shots, but this room is where I'm going to be doing my one-to-one training in person. We'll be doing a kind of testing feature as well, guys. So if you come and you're like, oh, I really want to try the Ignite rope, or want to try a certain type of workout mat, we're going to have you guys come here and you can spend some time. There's going to be a mirror and it's going to look absolutely epic, man. There's going to be nice LED lights at the top. This is going to be kind of like a mesh cage, another mesh cage here so you can see right through to the warehouse. And yeah, I'm going to call it the fly pod. It's a really cool idea. I really feel like you guys are going to have a lot of fun in here. Do your best impression of me. Imagine there's a rope. What's the combo? That's not how I skip, bro. That's bad technique, bro. That's bad technique.
Bro, you skipped too fast for me.
Ah, this is a technique here. A little southpaw, a little cross, a little 360. This makes it to the edit, man. You step through here, bro. All this, guys, you've seen this before. This is just warehouse stocking, loads of racks. Imagine like the stock, ropes, boxes, mats. Like this is space that I've dreamt of. Nathan will tell you, man, where we're working right now in the RAHQ, like there's just nowhere to walk. So this is going to feel really nice. Give me a chance to kind of put a lot of stock up and stored, and that means less stock outs for you guys. So that's cool. The last thing on this floor quickly is something new which we changed in the plans, and this is now going to be the Mama Rush kitchen. So it's going to be a purpose-built kind of little set, little kitchen. It's not very big, but we didn't need a lot of space. But if you just imagine in this room now, we've just got some countertops. We're going to have a cool branded wall, and it's going to be all just ready for filming, ready for recipes and little hand shots and little kind of chili sauces flying around everywhere. And then we're also going to be doing our bottling. So when people order from the site, we've got a really nice, hygienic, clean, licensed room where we can really kind of bottle things up, keep it really nice and clean. So that is downstairs, people. It's very simple. I think it's like, once it's all branded, once it's all colored, I feel like it's going to look absolutely epic. We're going to put black paint on the ceilings. We're going to obviously do the floor. And the retail shop is really the coolest bit, because it just means that when you guys come and visit from abroad or from wherever you are in town or in London, it just gives you guys a chance to come, cop some gear straight from the Mecca, man. And again, if you want, you can come and have a little mess around in the fly pod, test some things, record some content for the gram, and have some fun with us. So I'm gonna take you upstairs. I think that's downstairs sorted, bruv. Wicked. Help the builders out. Show them we're doing some work. Trying to pretend I'm doing work. Yeah. All right, watch your head here, bro. All right, going upstairs now, peeps. So this is pretty much the fun space. I call it the fun space. But we've basically fireproofed this upstairs now. So if any issues happen, like everyone downstairs, everyone upstairs, very safe. All right, so welcome to the production house / customer service / golf simulator chill out area. I've talked about this space a lot, but this is what the guys have done with it so far. So like I said, they blocked this all up, and what we're going to do is we're going to put like a little intercom system here, somewhere on the wall. So if someone rings the buzzer downstairs, then yeah, we just buzz you in from up here, man. We're bringing in the technology out here, people. It's our little customer service zone, and we're gonna have a little kitchenette on the side here. So this, like I mentioned to you before, guys, this is the only source of light we have upstairs here. So Nathan getting a nice light angle here. This is why we need to keep our customer support team, editing team, aka Nathan, graphic designer. Everyone will probably be working from here, or they will be working from here. Get some light, get some positive vibes, have a little kitchen to have a little drink, wash the dishes hopefully after. And then this is what our meeting room is looking like, okay? So basically they've left this bit open because this is all gonna be glass. So hopefully it's not too dark, you guys can see what's going on here. But glass pane here, so a really nice open visual. Like, we're looking for creativity in this space, guys. It's quite a big meeting room. It's bigger than what I expected it to be, but just imagine this is where all the magic's gonna happen, where we're gonna discuss samples, discuss ideas, the team, and me, of course. And hirings and firings, bruv. This is gonna be a very dangerous room as well at times, but it's gonna be cool, man. I think not much to say here, but we're gonna try and make it look cool. And then in this corner,
which is interesting because this was open the other day. So I don't know what.
It's no longer a room.
I mean, kind of worrying, but anyway, this was a room. I don't know what the guys have been doing here, but this room is going to be Nathan's photo studio, a place where we bring influencers, models, blah, blah, blah. We get our apparel shots done in there. We get our product shots. It's like a very nice room. I really wanted to show you that room, by the way, today, bro. But yeah, that's where a lot of creativity will happen for our products. And then this, let's swing it from back here, bro, if you can. This is actually like, yeah, this is actually super cool, man. So this is going to be our Born to Fly podcast room, boarded up in the corner, soundproof room, very visual, very like lights gonna be on point, very like cozy. This is where we're gonna hopefully hear really cool stories from a ton of cool people, I'm hoping. And yeah, from near, far, wherever, we're gonna try and do some online podcasts as well. And you won't be able to see what's in there, but it's super dark, bro. But anyway,
Believe in the camera, bro.
it's just, this is where the cool stories are gonna happen. I really feel a really good vibe in this room as soon as I step in there. It's just exciting because we've got a fully functional podcast room happening. And then this bit here, people, watch your step, bruv. This bit, imagine it to be, when you guys come visit, any visitors we have, is just our entertainment zone. So hopefully you get a little Pac-Man machine. We've got couch, we've got TV, we've got some just imagine just being relaxed, chilled, get a coffee, get a drink. And then in this corner here, we've got our golf simulator, which would be our fun time. So not much to say because you've heard it all before. Oh, actually, I forgot one more thing as well, bro. On this wall here is where we're gonna be doing the bar, right? So I keep talking about this bar, right? But it's gonna be exciting because now we can have events and we can have meetups and it's gonna, yeah, you know, not just alcohol, like I said, you guys can come, chill. Like if you come for the day, if you've got a little day pass, because we're thinking of doing day passes, this is where you can come and relax, pull your laptop out, do work from here if you want it, man. Like I want this place to just have good vibes, good people, good energy. And yeah, not to mention, bruv, we've just forgot this whole middle space here. This middle space, guys, taking shape. Yeah, the main place where the magic's gonna really, really happen, to be fair.
They better get used to this camera angle.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get used to it, man. I mean, we're gonna think about shooting from outside as well. We're gonna make sure that we've got the branding on point outside. We're gonna unfortunately lose that iconic grey building that is now the grey building, but you know, this is close. It looks kind of like the house, no? A bit like the kind of RA original Mecca, but big branded wall, all blacked out, nice rubber flooring, good matted flooring for classes, tutorials, and yeah, man, just getting some fire guests to collab with. So that is upstairs, people. That is the run through upstairs, downstairs, the new HQ, RA HQ 2.0, ready to, I guess, open in hopefully about 6 to 7 weeks. 6 to 7, I'm being pessimistic there. Hopefully we can get it open in about 5 weeks. Yeah, man, next time you see it, there'll be a lot more changes. I think we're done, man. I think we're done. Quickly, guys, before, I mean, we're just gonna roll this raw. Just a quick thank you. That's all it is. It's a big thank you, really. Like, this is a crazy project, and it's we've been talking about it for a year. The last time, well, I say the first time me and Nathan came down here was nearly exactly a year ago, and it was, yeah, it wasn't going to happen because I just came to see the space. I was probably going to say no, and then the landlord cut a good little deal, and then I actually started thinking it was a bit too big from what I needed. And somehow it's working out. Somehow the space that we've got, we're making the most of it. And again, always down to you. I've said it a couple of times in this video already, man, but not just Mama Rush sauce, not just RA, not just anything like that I do. Basically all your guys, or all you lot out there, I can't even talk about it, all you people just supporting, helping me make videos, helping me do the things that I love. And that's what matters to me most, man. Like the income, the global kind of recognition is not why I do this, man. I do it because I genuinely love trying to impact people's lives, and I just want to leave it on that note. And I hope anything you guys do out there, you're doing the same thing, man. Whatever it is, whatever you put your mind to, whether you're in a 9 to 5 that you don't enjoy, something's bugging you, stressing you every single day of the week, like just put a bit of time, tiny bit of time to something you enjoy for yourself, and hopefully it can grow and develop into something beautiful like this, man. So listen, guys, you've been amazing. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Very quick update on the RA HQ and where we're at. And remember, this Friday, Mama Rush goes live, which is also a big moment for Mumsy and I. So please do support. And I'll see you in the next one, man. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay. Wait, do I normally do that? I don't normally do that outro for vlogs.
Stay safe.
Well, anyway, I'll catch you in the next video, man. Peace out. Love.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.